Hello, today we're gonna make a crosscut sled for our cheap table saw from scraps around the workshop. Because plywood is not that common where we live, we're gonna use a particle board from some dismantled furniture as a base, some beech for the sliding grooves, and pine wood boards for the rest. The rib fence is shorter than the table and it locks only in front, so there is a bit of movement on the back part. To fix that, we used a piece of wood and a clamp to block it in place.
Asta este mult mai îngust decât asta. Este și posibilitatea să fie îngust pentru că nu a fost folosită și are vopsea. Da? Uite, are vopsea.
As you can see, even with that piece of wood, we still have errors. And also we discovered that the grooves in the table are not perfect either. The right one is narrower than the left one, so I used a bit of sandpaper to remove some of the paint inside. Yes, the table is painted, so the sled will never slide too easy because of that. We did our best to finish the pieces of wood so they match the grooves, and we glued them in place until next day. We secured them in place with some wood screws and tested to see if it would slide. The pine board is not perfectly square, and we didn't bother to make it perpendicular to the cut because it's not important on that side. Only the front board should be square. So we glue it and use wood screws to secure it in place. We did a cut in the board so we can make the front perpendicular to the blade, and we fixed a piece of wood block in front to reinforce it. The front board is fixed only with wood screws, one on the right side for the start, so it stays in place, and 3 more after we made it square to the blade. The cut looks very close to 90 degrees on those test cuts, so it seems we did it.
Yes!
Don't forget to press the subscribe button if you want to see us doing more stuff. Also leave a comment below if you have any questions or have suggestions about how we can improve. Thank you for watching.